attack?
Yep.
Best kind. Well, half a mag. Job's good.
Barrel up, safety off.
Well, you know, if I shoot you in the face, you probably deserved it.
Alright guys, so as you well know, the village is pretty well
Packed.
yeah, fortified, pretty pure.
Are we in it or are they in it?
There.
Well, let's go take it.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Alright.
Until this HVT arrives, when we get word that the HVT arrives, and we got straight up from there.
Three snipers. Go on. Two of them actually I've killed just because they got lost back. They're here, they were there, I backed a couple of them here. And I've returned two people back into the enemy base because they were on the verge of actually starting to cry. They were lost. Honestly. I'm kidding. Right, boys.
Pushing through the trench.
Spread out because this is it, that's a hot zone.
Defense on all sides.
Green team, hot zone.
You left, you right. You with me.
Yep.
You two, rear defense. Yeah? You two at the back, rear defense. With the half base. You, right, then.
I'm on you. Boys, this is it. They're having a trouble right here. Theo, it's on your 12. Coming in with you.
Okay.
I'll give up.
I think it shit's gonna get through.
Don't know. Debunk. I think that's our rear security. No, I think that was our rear security taking contact.
That's our people. I can see our people clearly. We have a danger right. And they're there. If anything, we have to make use of these as well.
Yeah. Down that way, but to the right. We've got movement on our left. Have you got eyes on that in between the two trees? Are they Russian? Keep your head down, keep your head down. Yeah, we're good, we're good. That's green team ahead of you.
Green team, that is red ahead of you. Yellow ahead of you. Ahead of you. Do not fire. British! British!
Fuck.
Okay, right hand side.
Left hand side, your left. Oh, let's push down for a second.
Okay, we have to strike. This is too much fun with it. Like I see it.
Yep.
You have to go on this barricade or something. You have to get back.
Alright, handle it. Alright. Let's close with them.
Okay. Duck, got eyes on.
No eyes. You see me though?
Duck back first. Duck! Pull back, quick!
Is that guy over there?
Got ya. I'll take the route.
Should be good. We got a load back there for really good.
Okay.
Green chain. We got people contact now.
Go wide.
Right, let's get some firefight on the way.
That's it.
Don't worry about it. Don't be glasses. What you have to do is have to put them over to the fence, guys.
Is he moving forward? Move up, Duck. Where the fuck is that coming from? I can't see shit. Oh well, I see movement. I'm gonna push to the right. Moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. Okay, I'll try and get to him. Tank, if you come to where I am, we should be alright. Yeah, I'm going to try and swing round to him, but I need you to come here to keep an eye on the front. Hey! Good shot! Medic! Oh, Jesus.